Storytime Haven presents Jojo's Daydreams. Let's practice the letter R sound with Jojo. That's Jojo. Jojo would like to play in the rain. Rain. He'd like to jump, dance and sing in the rain. Rain. Jojo would like to see a rainbow. Rainbow. Go outside after the rain, Jojo. Maybe you'll see a big, beautiful rainbow. Rainbow. Before he can go outside, he needs his rain boots. Rain boots. Where are Jojo's rain boots? Can you see Jojo's rain boots? The end. Thank you for watching Storytime Haven. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to keep smiling and shining. See you next time.